Hello, 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 it's me, Kelly G, in the bathroom where it's nice and quiet. We did try some interviewing. I'll actually pan over and show you what kind of mess that was.
1, 2, check. Hey, 1, 2, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2, check, check. 1, 2.
We're in the washroom, and if anyone knows me, I'm a germ freak, so we're gonna do this really quick. We're at the Cameron house. So we're in the toilet at the Cameron house.
It's an awesome toilet.
Like, here's the
Like, we're actually in the toilet.
Do you get that? Oh, and my legs, maybe? You know? Which one? Yeah. As I was searching for more Toronto people on Twitter, landed on this woman. I noticed her MySpace thing in her profile. I clicked on that, became a huge fan. Asked her if I could have this opportunity to interview her, and voila, we're in the toilet together.
Yay!
This
My
is how
favorite
low it goes. Okay. Oh, and I still have my gum in my mouth.
It's okay.
We have a few questions from Twitterers that totally love you. Okay, so Jellybean Bailey asks, what is your inspiration?
My inspiration musically is probably my relationships, romantic relationships, my relationships with my friends and family, film, other musicians, life. Yeah.
And Ellen M7 asks, who has been your biggest musical influence?
My biggest musical influence is definitely Patty Griffin, who I discovered when I saw her open for Jan Arden at a concert about 15 years ago, and she's the reason I ever started playing guitar and writing songs.
The Only Mo, I'm going to edit this because it was a little obscene for a G-rated Kelly G show. So we'll just say, what other things do you enjoy besides singing that you fixate yourself on? How's that? That's pretty good editing?
Yeah, I fixate
Dirty girl.
on, I like writing. I do a lot of writing, a lot of reading, love films, spending time with my best friend who's holding the camera. It's like a dating interview. It's like eHarmony.
Like long walks.
Long walks on the beach. I do actually enjoy long walks on the beach. Who doesn't really?
Roni's Own Radio, which is Jeff, he asks, which writer / musician, living or dead, would be your dream to collaborate with?
Patty Griffin, definitely, or I would also say Paul McCartney and or John Lennon. Those would probably be the big ones. Maybe Missy Higgins, Teddy Thompson, yeah.
And I call her Peaches. I'm not sure if it's Sapphic.
Sapphic Kitty, I think, yeah.
Okay, Sapphic Kitty.
She's lovely.
Veggie would you be if you could, and why?
I have no idea how to answer this question, so I'm going to say my favorite vegetable, which is a zucchini. So
and then Spike Azizel asks, they're good out there, eh? Okay. Who are your earliest musical influences in becoming a folk singer superstar?
Well, growing up, my mom was big into records. She had a lot of records, so I listened to a lot of Carole King and the Beatles, Raffi, famous Canadian, right, folk singer, Sharon Lewis and Graham, those were big ones. I can't remember, Neil Diamond, listened to a lot of Neil Diamond, whatever my parents would listen to, they were big into folk music, so yeah. Yeah, I think Carole King, Neil Diamond, Beatles, yeah.
Neil Diamond was my very first CD, believe it or not.
My father looks like Neil Diamond.
I bought really big girl panties, and when I went to the Neil Diamond concert, I like chucked it, and I hit this poor woman right in the back of the head. If you're watching, I'm sorry. All right, so now we're gonna, they're gonna get ready to set up. Sarah's gonna be singing, and you get to check out how awesome it is. So hope you enjoy.
There are so many things I want to tell you, and so many words I need to write, but I just keep everything hidden. It's safer on the inside. Right now it feels like the world I know is changing. On the darkest nights, like I'm hanging by a thread, I'll get smarter, hoping that you will come around. So fork it over that four-leaf clover. I I just need a little sign. And heads or tails, and hairs or snails, I don't have much time to wait, to wait. So forget over this four-leaf clover. I just need a little sign. And heads or tails, and hairs or snails, I don't have much time to wait, to wait. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna cross that river. I'm gonna catch tomorrow now. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna cross that river. I'm gonna catch tomorrow night. These thoughts keep running through my head. It'll never be enough. Ooh. Why wasn't anyone there to catch me? They all knew I wasn't ready for the fall. I thought I was finally moving forward. Might be going in circles after all. Might be going in circles after all. She had never been a simple girl, always wanting more from this crazy world, with shells around his neck and poems on his breath. She thought she met the one who would love her till the end. 20 yellow roses in his hands, and a note that said, I'd love to be your man. So I'll do whatever I can to be here with you, and 20 yellow roses in your hands. They spent night after night, camped out by the firelight. She'd tell him of his plans. With him she had nothing to hide. They fight like cats and dogs and hardly got along. When she'd walk away, he'd make it alright with a song. And 20 yellow roses in his hands, and a note that said, I should have been a better man. So I'll do whatever I can to be here with you, and 20 yellow roses in your hands.
Check, 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 1, 2, check, 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 1, 2, check. Hey, check, check, 1, 2, check. Hey, 1, 2, check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2, check, check, 1, 2.